Good morning, it's Pete, the Texan Turner. I'm going to have a go at making some, look at the camera, have a go at some Christmas stuff. So I'm going to have a go at making one of these into a Christmas tree, and then I'm going to try and make a snowman. Let's see how it goes. Just putting a tenon on. Put a candle in the end of it. That's where I'll cut it off. Right, let's see if the chuck and it spins alright. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm assuming because it's smoking, it's going too fast. Slow the beast down. Yeah, I think it must be blunt, but all I've done is just drill wood on here, and I've only been doing like wood turning for 2 months. So, I don't know. Just want to shout out to Lauren and Hannah for commenting to make a Christmas thing. Quite enjoyable. Now, favourite part, oiling. Woo! What have we got? Linseed oil. Also, please be kind with me with the videoing. I'm not very good at editing, and I'm just using my phone. So I only do it as quick. I do it as quick as I can because I don't have a lot of time with having children and working, and I'm really bad health. So I do this for fun more than anything. Very, very therapeutic. So some people want to know what my illnesses are. So it all started from an accident when I was 19. I got crushed, and later on down the line I got full kidney failure. I was on dialysis for a couple of years. Got a kidney transplant from me. Got a kidney from my uncle, which is really awesome. Even though I've had a transplant, it's not a cure. It is just a treatment, and the medications and everything I've had to take to keep my kidney have made me poorly as well. So I've got Addison disease now, which is my adrenal glands don't work for themselves. I believe, yeah. So, and the problem is I've been on steroids for since 2012, and long-term steroid use really isn't good for you. Just recently I've been diagnosed with coronary artery disease. I've got chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. I need a knee replacement because of the steroids. They found my heart swollen a little bit to compensate for something. Probably due to the fistula I've got in my arm where they've connected an artery, well, a vein to an artery. So I'm actually quite a poorly man, is what the doctor said. But I do this to clear my mind and keep me going. But I absolutely love my work as well. So I work 4 days a week. But yeah, so I look, when you look at me, it looks like there's nothing wrong with me, but I'm actually quite poorly. I don't like to admit it, but I'll admit it on this video. But yeah, so want me to make anything, well, I'll have a go at anything, but I'm not going to say it's going to turn out alright, but yeah, anything, just let me know. If you want to support me, I don't know how you do that, so yeah, even just a nice positive comment, that'll do, or even comment on how I can get better at this sort of thing. That'd be cool. Yeah. So in this video, I'll have a go at putting a proper intro on, and if you're watching this video and it looks cool, well done me, hey. But if not, I'll try again next time. And I don't know how long you're supposed to actually do this for. I mean, genuinely no idea what this stuff is supposed to do. Oh, boom. Chipped a bit out, right. Hand sand that bit then. I don't know if it's because the wood's a bit fresh, I don't know. Well, bum. Oh well. Might look like a Christmas tree when it stands up. There you go. A Christmas tree kind of candle holder.